For today's video, pag-uusapan natin paano mag-setup ng payout sa Facebook. Pumunta sa iyong Facebook app, then click yung Facebook. Go to your professional dashboard, then go to monetization. Set up payout account. Put your legal first name, yung name mo, then legal last name, surname mo, country, business type. Yung business type is kailangan sole proprietorship or individual. Depende kung ano yung business mo. Then, click next. Ayan, enter your info, legal first name. Kayo na maglagay kasi bawal mag-input ng information. Hindi kasi allowed. And zip code, tsaka postal ID. Kailangan tama yung email nyo. Kasi dyan mag-i-email si Meta. Ayan. I-link out din yung BPI or bank. Meron silang wire transfer. Meron din silang PayPal. Ako kasi bank transfer, mas mabilis. Add your tax info. Login mo lang yung Facebook mo. Mobile numbers or email. Then, would you like to continue? Continue nyo lang. Yan, your tax profile. Verify. Ganun lang kadali.